Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Wow. How are you doing? Anyway, taking koko kin now. Any gidi pataki. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for following us. And if you're new here, we say you welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Now when they talk about that cloth is actually very nice. I just saw the picture of this thing. The video didn't do justice to that cloth. Adekas one. The video didn't do justice to it, but when it's chewed and I saw the full picture, I said, this cloth is not bad. Why are we laughing at this cloth? Myself laughed small when I saw the video. I no go lie. The cloth is not that bad. The cloth is good on him. Remember, is okay, I should get your own. Kile so pa Adekas she again pack. Kinto de Dunkin Donuts. Kile ni so pa Adekas she. Wait. Adekas wore Iran buba. And you people here down. Anytime but but honestly, there is nothing wrong with that clothes. Go and look at the real picture. Then we are forgetting one thing. Adekas is now thank you, Keep. Adekas is now a celebrity. That is one thing we have to know. He's no more an ordinary Adekas. No, he's now a celebrity and he's dressing as a celebrity should dress. If that trend that thing is wearing, if Bruce Willis wear him now, or actors Kanye West, all these celebrities, Oyinbo celebrities, if now them wear that clothes, you will say it is nice. Wọ́n ti gba ṣòkòtò lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, wọ́n bọ́ skirt lé lọ́rùn. But the cloth is not bad. Go and look at the last picture I just posted. Adekas ti rogo, Messi no kọ́ ṣe bá. Kò sáyọ tó máa wọ̀ lójú yín tó máa dá. Is now ìyàwó celebrity. Kí ló dé ẹ̀yin people yẹ ẹ̀dá o. Báṣọ ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ fit. God bless you. Burna Boy you will appreciate it. If the video wear that cloth or Wizkid or Kiss Daniel, you will not say that cloth is bad though. Paul Oyibo, how are you, my brother? You won't say the cloth is bad. That cloth is not that bad. Hello, go and look at the picture. I just posted the picture before coming out now. I was posting the video before. In the video, dry smoke, number one, bawu. Number one, that is a show for almost 20 minutes. The first picture, the video didn't do justice to the cloth on him. Then I saw the picture where it's chewed. That cloth is actually nice. Kimbole you know motto. Kilo ṣe fún yín. Ìgbà tẹ́mi náà kọ́kọ́ rí picture mo ní Why is this man wearing this kind of clothes? You are not seeing him like celebrity yet. Or Don Jazzy. You know what? Yeah, you go worry. Yeah, it looks like Buba for real. But honestly, let's get us thorough. I think that cloth is nice on him. I think it is nice. His status is a status of a celebrity now. Take it or leave it. Apart from being a movie producer, he has started acting too, kind of. So you don't expect him, and they are trying to premiere a movie. You don't expect him to dress ordinarily. As long as he's happy. Age is not on his side for this type of blouse, Jare. Kilo de? No, Odowa niyen o. He's among us that will say something, oh. Please allow people to live, oh. You don't buy anybody now. That's the way he wants to do. I think the cloth is nice after seeing the picture. Picture yet here. Where's my other phone? Only what phone you call it? New shoe. Oh, okay. The cloth is not for his age. I don't know whether it's for his age or it's not for his age. Honestly, is there a dress code for a particular age? As long as you are not exposing your body. He's not exposing his body. How about if he's putting on leggings? Tikini wa wú báyìí. Tikini ẹ ṣe combo. Ìyẹn wá ńkọ́. He's not dressing kikini she combo now. He's dressing. I think he's okay. I think he's okay. You know the problem is Messi is the one that is making people be looking at this man like this. Ile tojo gan, ile Messi tojo. You need to see what people are writing about it. Nobody had empathy. A lot of people did not have empathy for Messi. Could they call ribe? Oko yin ko lo gba now. No be Messi collect your own husband. Allow Messi. Allow Messi. You know, there are so many deep things we don't know about these people. We just say the man go marry another woman, blah, 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 blah. One or two people who know the wife has called me, the man is this, the man is that. Honestly, a time will come. If somebody say, I don't want to do again, make them go. Move on with your life. This one now, 9 in-laws are now fighting for Messi. Now that one I don't know. They are fighting for Adekas' wife. Okay, this is the picture. The picture is not that bad. The dressing. Adekas is not a short man, no. Want to know Adekas is shorty. Ija orogun leleyi yo. You know what is going on social media now? It's a fight between first wife and second wife, association of first wives, and association of I want to don't love you. I won't see okoloko. I don't like that slogan. We won't feel okoloko. You know, a man it's a man that will decide I'm somebody's husband. If a man now say I'm the husband of many women, there is nothing you can do about it. Honestly, if you are not comfortable with it, it's okay for you to walk out of it. So I don't like this slogan. Okoloko lo fe. So a man can be a husband of one woman and can be a husband of many wives. So what we have on social media, Aunty Adunni Kekabo, the cloth made him short. Ṣé mọ̀ pé even àwọn ọkùnrin ò gba ìmúra yẹn rárá. Ṣé wọ́n flag mi ẹ bá mi love and like, ẹ bá mi share. Kindly help me to love and like and share. Àwọn èèyàn kan Messi kò Messi rárá. Messi should pity the man's old age. How old is Adekas? Is Adekas up to 60? Adekas is not up to 60. Adekas is in his 50s, I think. Adekas was 60 now. Shoti was 60 ni. You know what is going on? We have different association of women on social media. Association of single first wife. Association of only wife. They are not the first wife, but they are the only wife. Their husband don't get woman before, can't divorce, can't marry them. We now have association of Orogun. Ija Orogun. What we have on social media is Ija Orogun. People with the first wife against the people who go marry their husband, or the people that they think might marry their husband. That is what is going on, and that is why Joy Sakio said that is not a man's dressing. It's a shame. What is a man's dressing? The man is a celebrity, for crying out loud. Can you allow your hobby wear such man? Why not? As long as the man is comfortable with it. Hold on. Let me order my donuts. Yeah, please, can I have jelly-filled donuts? Three pieces.
I don't have the powdered one.
I don't want the powdered one.
The glazed one?
The plain one, please.
The glazed one, right?
Huh?
The glazed strawberry milk?
Yes.
Okay, you said 3?
3 pieces, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. That's all.
Right, so which one, please?
Can I have banana chocolate chip bread with it?
Let me check if I still have it.
All right. Hey, Joy, can you make order me, please?
Yeah, that's all?
Yeah. Did you have the banana bread? Okay. All right. Thank you. Somebody is saying, can I allow my husband to wear it? Why not? If you are going for some outing, there are some clothes you wear. Why are we behaving like we are backward? Is it because this man is is married to Mercy. Is it the hatred you have for Mercy you are putting on this man or what? The man has not even offended you. Kini man yìí ṣe fún gbogbo wa? He has not offended any one of us. Ó fẹ́ Mercy Mercy ń gbé jáde Of course, I'm not. I don't like that anyway. That's the only aspect I don't like. And that is why many of you are hating on him. Mercy is not the first to marry second wife.
877.
All right, thank you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
How's that?
Have a good one. Aha, ẹ jẹ́ mo lè wá park nsìn. Kí sáré ṣe nǹkan tí ma ṣe kí n tó máa lọ. So, what's wrong with the clothes? What's wrong with Adekas' age? Adekas is not even if Adekas is 70 as a celebrity, if he's a Igbo celebrity, you guys will appreciate that cloth on him. RMD is over 60. If RMD is wearing that cloth, you people will not complain. The only thing that is not okay, that I will say I am not okay with, is, you know, the way he's throwing caution to the wind. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I see in what he is doing. The way he's throwing caution to the wind, not considering the children, in the emotions of the children, in what is going on. You know, as per the first wife, at a point, the first wife has to move on. As per that dressing, dressing, it's just the hatred that people have for Mercy that they are extending to this man. And because the man too is just throwing caution to the wind, is just behaving like Mercy is the first wife, behaving like he never had grown-up children. That is the only thing. That's the only thing. Outside that, I don't think this man has offended anybody or he has done whatever he's doing is even injustice, not to us, to the family. It's not to us. Ingram show. Yeah, I might not. The dressing is not bad for a celebrity. If I'm married to a celebrity, maybe I won't have any say. If he decides to wear something like that. If I'm married to a celebrity, there's nothing wrong where, as per that cloth is concerned. RMD will put that cloth and we will admire it on him. A lot of celebrity, the video, as short as the video is very short. The video is like 5.3. The way the video will wear that cloth and we will admire it on his cloth, on his body. If he should tell us this cloth is so amount, we will clap for him. Yes, he's dressing good. It is all because, number one, apart from age, leave age aside now. When it comes to celebrity dressing, age has got nothing to do with it. We watch them here. We see them when they go for red carpet. We see what they wear. Okay? Adekas, as far as Adekas is concerned, Adekas has not hurt anybody. Ìyàwó ló fẹ́. Ìyàwó ló fẹ́. We are only being sentimental because we are women. We are being sentimental because we're like, if this is me. Like I said, the way means ara mi no gba orogún. Ara mi ò gba orogún mi ní parọ́. Go easy. So, ara mi ò gba orogún mi ò ní parọ́. So I understand the pains of we women. Àwọn obìnrin gangan lọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń ta lára jù, especially considering the children. And look at it, either we like it or not. Man yìí ti lọ. He is gone. He is far gone. Nǹkan tí Mercy wá fún jẹ, tí inú ẹ̀ fi ń dùn, that he doesn't care, he wants to do whatever he wants to do. Probably Mercy chose the cloth for him, I don't know. Probably he chose the cloth for himself, we don't know. Okay? But as a celebrity, ordinarily, there is nothing wrong with that dressing. But now, what we are concerned about is why people are going for him is because of the children, most especially. that is throwing caution to the wind. He doesn't even care about what the children will feel, how the children will feel, whether it's affecting them, what he's doing. But look, if we are going to still look at it deeply too, between you and I, ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa sọ tọrọ. Lè ní kó má leave. We don't know why he decided to go for another woman. Is he happy in the marriage? We are seeing him happy. Whether he's happy or he's not happy, we don't know. But we see him looking happy. And Edakun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe bí ará oko. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe bí ará oko. Maybe if you look at what is going on social media and why the likes of Judy Austin àti Mercy will never be in the good eyes of others. Somebody said, let us leave the children alone. They will live their lives. And it's true. No, I'm not on YouTube this morning. Itanimuwa, Italawa. Somebody said we have to leave him. The children, and it's true, the children will get to a certain age, they will live their lives. Outside the parents. They will live their lives. They will live their lives. If a man say, I want to move on, there is nothing you can do. If a man say, I want to have another wife, honestly, there is little we can do. What he's wearing, as far as I'm concerned, is a fashion trend. It's a fashion trend he's wearing. And that man that I'm seeing is gone. Honestly, that man is gone. His case is like his case of Yule Doche. The case is like the case of Yule Doche. Okay, you are dragging Judy Austin. You are dragging Mercy. How is their case different from the case of Mercy Johnson? Mercy Johnson to marry somebody's husband now. But you guys don't drag her. Why? Can I ask why? Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká máa lẹ́ràn kórìíra lára kẹ́. Ẹran kórìíra leléyìí o. Ẹran kórìíra. Because Mercy Johnson too flaunts her children. I mean, she flaunts that man. Ọmọ karùn-ún kọ́ ló bí yẹn. Tó bí fún. Ẹran kórìíra lèmi leléyìí sí o. Because this Mercy Johnson, the first wife came down to Nigeria that they were not divorced when he was to marry Mercy. Mercy threw caution to the wind. Could anybody lóhùn? And you guys are not dragging Mercy. Mercy Johnson now. Oh. Mercy Johnson. Kílódé drag Mercy Johnson. Kílódé pé Adekas le wan drag. Mercy Johnson too is always using her husband for content. She's always using her husband for content. If a man say, I am done, if you don't want a man to be done, make sure he doesn't done. When a man say, I am done, all of you having high blood pressure, you are finished laughing. They are sitting down somewhere, reading comments and laughing. If you know what it is when you are a public figure and you are putting out things that, of course, when you are outside, if you are a public figure, you don't expect everybody to like you. When everybody like you have a problem. Okay, because Yoruba ni won. When everybody likes you, then you have problem. So, for us that are creating content, you know means when I'm inside my house, after I put video down, I'm inside my closet. Boya mo njeun ni, boya mo nsekere wa ni, mo ma rerin ni tin ba ri comments. There was no much awareness during Johnson's zone. Ṣó ti wá late ni? Ṣó ti late ni? Hey, Bombay person, social media, Facebook, do you know what? This morning I was logged out of my page this morning. I had to do like 4 videos. Can't release the page pada. Okay, somebody said when you want to marry someone's husband, please don't come as a friend first. So maybe because they were close. Ìyẹn ló ń bí everybody nínú. rí Adekas ó tún fa orí yẹn dán. Ó fa orí yẹn dán. Ó wá dàbí baby. I was looking at that his head. I say, look at this man. They will scrape all their hairs, and they will now look like a baby. Ó fa orí yẹn dán. It was now looking like a baby. Ọkùnrin, ọkùnrin, ọkùnrin. Small time now you say obìnrin. If na woman they do this kind of thing now, na no go like am o. You guys will not like it. But see as Adekas just they carry on as if to say children no dey involved. That is where the women and people are feeling pains. But I think, like somebody said, the children will move on at a point. They will move on. Mercy Tirogo bayi. Mercy Tirogo. I agree. Probably that is why a lot of people are aggrieved. I agree that if you are going to ọkùnrin Bombay, ọkùnrin ẹ̀yin lẹ burú jù now they scatter us. Now they make us they fight ourselves. Ẹ wo obìnrin bó ṣe ń bára wọn jà lórí social media. Láì ṣe pé àwọn Adekas fẹ́ àbáwọn Adekas fílẹ̀. You are the one, ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. You are the scatterer of scattering. Ọkùnrin ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin dá mi lóhùn. Gabriel ṣe obìnrin. Ọkùnrin. Now, if you want to look at it, are no answer you know somebody is your husband, your wife's friend. Show you irú ẹ̀ mú ẹ̀. Tí o bá ṣe pé ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin, you are something else. You guys are something else, ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin. Show you irú èèyàn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wọ̀n yín. Bombay again. Ọkùnrin, Bombay ọkùnrin. Ẹyẹ obìnrin ẹ bá ń pariwo lé wọn lórí ọkùnrin. You see? Rotimi said, I'm going to barb my hair like Adekas. Ẹ wá fa orí, you now look like babies. Arúgbó ni o, irun funfun kún gbogbo orí yẹn o. He now went to barb the hair looking like a baby. Mo ní bọ̀bọ́ yìí máa tún fine sí kẹ́. Àbírú kí leléyìí. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí máa tún fine sí kẹ́. I look at the picture. Mo ní Adekas wá dàbí baby. Abẹ́ rí. Ó wá fi kíní tóbìnrin máa fi máa ṣeré yẹn, kíní kékeré tí máa like. Abẹ́ yóò fi ṣeré ní ẹnu ọkọ yín. Tẹ́ ẹ máa fi kí ọwọ́ gbé kíní yẹn jó. That small thing. Ó wá fi ṣeré. Àmì ó wá ra fi sílẹ̀. Na testosterone, not your fault. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Ọ̀rẹ́ ìyàwó. Okay, na testosterone. A woman's hormone too can make her open leg for your friend. Then that means if a woman opens leg for your friend, kò sí nǹkan tó bad. But if she say no, he can't force her. Gabriel, you have a point. Abẹ́ Adekas. Wàhálà dé o. All I wish the first wife, I wish her happiness. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kó rọ́kùnrin mi tó máa dùn nínú. This one is gone, oh. This man is gone. Mercy will not leave this man. All of you that are praying, that are wishing, whether they will fight or anything can happen. Then they go. Did you see one of the videos, this video, where Mercy was jealous? I say, look at it. Look at this girl. Any rí nǹkan rẹ̀ tó fẹ́ kú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ wẹ́n tó ti sọnù ńkọ́. Look at the video. Níbi tí Adekas tí ṣé video yẹn kọ́ rè. Video yẹn rè. See fine boy. He can't get swag. Na fine boy be the guy o. Adekas ìwé lórí. Fine boy. Who is saying does she need another man? At what age? She needs another man. What do you mean she needs another man? All her children are grown up. She needs a friend. She needs another man. Kí ló tí ò ṣe need another man? Kó zip ibẹ̀ yẹn pa. There's nothing wrong with her. She's healthy. She's a fine woman. Why would she need another man? There are so many men out there too that are divorced, that are looking for a relationship. If she meets somebody, or probably a widower, why not? Life continues. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ wípé she doesn't want to leave Adekas, and she's expecting Adekas to come back one day. Except that, we don't know. She's not talking, and I like the way she kept mute. I like the way she's not talking. So nobody knows what's going on. And probably they are even still married. Ẹ̀yin laranta. Probably they are still married. If she goes to Nigeria now, their house is still there. Ilé yẹn ló yìí máa dé sí. She may decide not to need another man. Irọ́ nìyẹn. If a woman at a certain age, a 50-year-old woman will say, I don't need another man. Ó ti ro rẹ̀ pin nìyẹn. Kí ló dé? She's still young, I beg. She's still young. Kí ló dé sí she need another man? Except she still wants to stay on with her man. Manage him the way he is. But if not, she can as well move on, meet somebody else, and start another life. It's not the end of life now. Ọkùnrin kọ̀yàn. Ṣé ó ní kéèyàn má rọkùnrin mi? Obìnrin fìyàn lẹ̀. Kò ní kéèyàn má fìyàn. Èèyàn ní ìdọ̀ ẹlòmíì tẹ́ máa jọ spoil ara yín, tẹ́ máa tọ́jú ara yín. At that stage, kò ṣe fọ́mọ bíbí, is not for childbearing. At that stage, is not for kíní. Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lówó ara yín, kẹ́ máa gbádùn ara yín lọ ni. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? So ẹ jẹ́ ká wo Adekas. Mercy is jealous here. Look at Mercy in this video. Ṣé video yẹn lélẹ̀? No, òun kọ́ lélẹ̀. Ibi tí Adekas ti ń jó. Look at Mercy. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ni? Tó ti lọ bá Mercy, where he went to meet Mercy, and Mercy was doing face one kind. Okay, òun náà ni. The man he's just having his own fun. Oh, fun. The guy is having fun. Wo Mercy be. Is it because the man was dancing with another woman or what? Ojowu. Rí ohun rẹ̀ now. The man was dragging her. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń kẹ́yìn sí. Man yẹn bí tó wà yẹn. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ń catch your phone. If somebody say I no want do again, and the man say you no live in wife, all you online in-laws, ẹ lọ ṣe kíní. She's blushing ni. Oh, okay. She's blushing probably because of what is going on. You know, she's going through a lot now. Her house gone burnt, and that's enough something on her. So probably that pressure is still on her. But as far as me I'm concerned though, after looking at the cloth very well, initially I didn't see the cloth. I was only seeing the video, like looking like off shoulder, and I'm like, off shoulder, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, off shoulder báwo. But I now saw the full picture. Níbi tó ọmọkùnrin ti dúró. Either you say he's tall, he's short. The cloth is nice. It's a trending chokoto. Aunty Adunni Ekaroma is a trending chokoto for celebrities. And the top. And for all you like, this cloth might be very expensive. Oh. The cloth might be very expensive. But the cloth is actually nice on him. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pé, let us put Etanu àti ìjà orogún. You know, myself don't talk and say myself cannot stand to have orogun. So you should know where I stand. I cannot stand to have orogun. But like I tell you, I always tell you one thing. If I was younger, I find myself, say they marry another woman, come meet me for house, I no go leave. Because I don't want to train my children alone. I always say that thing. There is always a time for everything. Time to fight and time not to fight. Wisdom is profitable in whatever we are doing. Me, I no go take all my mouth talk when I dey talk. Now you make you dey use wisdom, dey pick when I dey talk. If I was younger with small children, They come marry wife, come meet me for house. I will not leave because I don't want to train my children alone. I won't. Later in life, if the man, as the man behave, go come determine whether I go leave or I don't go leave. Later, if I come